Do you ever want to operate your sprinkler valve directly without the timer? That's what this video is about. My name is Eli Hall with AMS Landscaping out of Phoenix, Arizona. I have two examples of valves here. Many valves look exactly like this. There's two ways you can run the valve without the timer. Now, this is a Hunter valve, and it literally on the top of the solenoid, this part right here is a solenoid where the wires connect. It literally says on and off, and all it takes is a quarter turn and the valve will turn on and it turns right back off if you use a solenoid. Another way you can do it is this bleeder valve. The bleeder valve, you just twist it a little bit. You don't want to unscrew either of these all the way off, just enough for the valve to turn on. This water starts spewing out and the valves will come on. So I'll switch to B-rolls for both of these valves, but I want to show you this valve as well. This one, this particular valve, it literally says on and off here on this. You can turn it. It only usually takes a quarter turn to get these solenoids to turn on, or you can use a bleeder valve. Now some sprinkler valves don't have bleeder valves, so you'll have to use a solenoid. But this is just one way to operate the valve manually without having to operate the timer. Locate your valves near your sprinklers, your lawn sprinklers, and we're going to operate this valve right here. You can operate it two ways. One of two ways. You can either use the bleeder valve. You just turn it a couple times till the water starts shooting out. You can hear the water coming out of the valve, and you can see the lawn sprinklers are all running on that single station, so you can run this manually. And to shut it off, you just screw that bleeder valve back. You can see it takes about just a second, but the valve will shut off. Now the other way you can run the valve is through the solenoid. You can just turn most solenoids about a quarter, and you can hear the valve turn on again. You can see same sprinkler turn on. And you can just shut that solenoid off. You can see the valve shut off more quickly that way. Well, I hope you found this video helpful. My name is Eli Hall with AMS Landscaping. If you want to contact us directly, please go to our website at azlawns.com. Also, subscribe to our YouTube and Facebook channels at AMS Landscaping, and check us out on Twitter and Instagram at AZLawns. Make it a great day.